Hello guys, good morning! Welcome to Buhay sa Dubai, and now I'm actually editing now yung video yesterday. So this is yung mga pinagagawa ko tuwing umaga para I have some video to share online para sa mga viewers. Ready na, it's Thursday, so nakaano kami ngayon, parang wash day. Yan, then sarap-sarap sa pakiramdam. Feeling ko tuloy para akong mamamasyal lang. Pero ngayon pasok tayo sa work, guys. Okay, sama kayo sa akin today ha. I'm actually a little excited because I was informed yesterday by the owner, of course, the CEO of Kuruti. So Kuruti Philippines and Kuruti UAE. Ayun, magkakaroon po soon guys ng Kuruti Radio. So parang voice of OFW. So lucky na makakasama ko as one of the DJ. Kaya abangan yung program ko doon. And FYI guys, alam nyo ba na ang Satwa, ang kauna-unahan na pinakakilalang lugar ng mga Pilipino dito sa Dubai. Kaya ang tawag dito nila dati is Little Manila. Pero ang una yatang sumikat talaga na lugar dito ng mga Pilipino sa buong UAE is yung Sharjah. Okay guys, so nasa Manila Mall na ako. Diba, so parang nakakatuwa kasi yung name nito, no? Kasi this is called Manila Mall. And this is actually, yung Satwa is called the Little Manila dito sa UAE. Kaya, pasok tayo. Okay, so dito po sa Manila Mall, our office actually is open from 9 in the morning until 7 or 8 depending on kung may mga inaantay kaming clients. But, as of now, yun yung temporary na timings namin kasi hindi pa siya 100% open. Pero I will tour you around guys sa office namin kung gaano siya ka-cute. Okay, so as promised kanina guys, sabi ko itutour ko kayo dito sa office namin kaya iikutin natin ang MPQ Tourism Satwa. Okay, so ito yung entrance. At ito makikita nyo, may gawa rito si Kuya to na isang Duke Cruise, which is sikat na sikat sa Dubai yung kanyan. And some famous buildings all over the world. At this is the proof guys na Pilipino yung may-ari ng business na to. So sa loob. Janan! Hi Jonard! Hello! Yan, busy ang aming accountant. So ito yung itsura. Ayan, so we have 4 tables dito na magkakadikit. And waiting area namin with a real plants ha. This is real plants pero walang may flowers. Ito kasi medyo ano na yung flowers. And hindi ko alam, normal yata to na may mga clock talaga from different time zone. Di ba kapag mga travel agency. And ito naman yung aming office ng boss namin, which try natin silipin. Oh, bakit siya against the light? Ayun, so she's actually been featured sa newspaper as travel executive provides excellent services to expats in the Middle East, which nandun ako during our yacht party. Ayun, so ito actually, this is still empty kasi this is still scheduled for a decoration and paintings ni Sir Tom Alvarado. And what else? Ito yung kitchen namin na super daming pagkain. But I cannot go through the cabinets. Baka kasi makita nyo yung kinakain namin. So yung walls actually is a mural guys. So ano talaga siya? Hindi siya painting, okay? It's a mural, para siyang 3D. na ganon. So, iba-iba yung storya niyan. And these are the recognition from Filipino Times. Sa akin yung media personality and kay Madam Malo yung Entrepreneur of the Year. Then some of the souvenir na meron sila sa mga travels nila. Ito yung magazine ng Ilustrado. Top 100. Hindi ko pwedeng sirain kasi. Ayan, this yung nag-UK sila. So, that's it! Oh, wala na. Yun lang naman. Wala naman masyado nang i-discover pa dito. Pero cute lang kasi nitong office kasi para siyang... Tawag nito? Para siyang canvas. Isang buhay na canvas. Kaya yun. So, yun lang. Hello guys! Look who visited here in Pico Tourism Satwa. Si Ate Lani. Hi, Ate Lani. Si Zag wala. Bakit ka nandito? Aloha. Okay, sige. Private conversation. Okay guys, so tonight we will have our dinner here. Everybody's favorite dito sa Floral Grand Hotel. Ang kanilang dagat-dagatan. Hello ate. Good evening. So lalamon tayo ngayon. Okay guys, so dito po, you can see it's a 4-star hotel concept. Pero dito nyo po matatagpuan ang kanilang napaka-affordable na open buffet for 39 dirhams lang. Wow, isda. Tapos meron silang crabs and ano to, fish. Ay, good evening. Chicken barbecue guys.
Ano to?
Parang ano siya, oh, ano ng lights.
Golden fried squid.
Gusto ko yan. Okay, sa mga ayaw mag-rice. Kuya, magkano ano nyo? Magkano yung buffet nyo?
39 dirhams ako.
39 may drinks na yan?
Opo.
Kompleto na?
Ito lang yan.
Asan? Oh, may salad pa pala doon.
Masarap pa na
Okay, sige.
Tsaka may peso niya.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Yun. Ito guys, may options ka. Pwede kang kumuha ng salad nila. I think I like this one. Salted egg with tomatoes. Beetroot. Hindi. No, it's not. Pickled cucumber with parsley and caper berries. Okay, ito yung soup nila. Okay.
Good? Okay.
Dessert time!